mentality is can't wait to play. It really is, you know, from our staff to our players, everybody's looking forward to it. They wish it was, you know, they wanted to play 11 o'clock this morning. They were ready to go. So, you know, I'm just looking forward to it. My team is ready to play and give it our best. Well, what we're going to have to do well is we're going to have to defend like crazy. This team, Central Missouri, is very physical. You know, they bring the heat. You know, we're going to have to stay in points with our defensive ball control and work hard to score. Yeah, I think our kids understand that it's a process. It's a 3-day tournament, you know, and take it step by step. I know they're excited to play. They're ready to go, and you know, there's a lot of nervous energy, so that's good. You know, it means they're into it and they're ready to go. You know, it's going to be electric tonight, especially for our match playing the host team. You know, they're going to have a ton of people in the crowd, and you know, it's exciting times. You're playing with some of the best teams in the country, and I feel like we're one of those teams. So we're where we belong. You better be yelling at your computers tonight when you're watching. We appreciate your support, and we're going to give it all for you tonight.